guys, isa-solve natin yung checkpoint number 3. So this is the problem, no? A cord passing over a frictionless massless pulley has 4 kilograms object tied to the other end and 12 kilogram object tied to the other end. Calculate the acceleration and tension. So ito na yung drawing natin. Okay, you have two objects, no, connected by a cord. So ito yun siya. Object B, object A. So, ang gagawin natin dito, let M sub A is equal to 4 kilograms and M sub B is equal to 12 kilograms. Yan. So, yan siya. Now, after natin ito i-drawing again, ang first na gagawin natin is always write the target. Okay, so you will know kung anong goal natin, no? Para may mag-guide sa inyo. Always yan. If you don't have goal, then kahit ano na lang gawin mo, no? So, here, acceleration, and B is the tension. So, these are the two targets na kailangan natin ma-solve. Now, after writing the target, we have to draw the FBD. So, we have to set up the FBD. So, first, FBD A. So, titingnan natin ngayon sa A. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, if this is the A, object A, and then we draw a Cartesian plane, okay, and then after that, we have to plot the forces that act on the object. So, object A, ang force na nag-act sa object A is tension, okay, going up, and then we have the weight sub A. Ayan. So, wala nang iba. Next is FBDB. Actually, the same lang, no? The same lang ang FBDB. And then, so this is your object B, Cartesian plane. There's a tension na nag-act sa B. And then, we have the weight sa B. Now, as you can see here, different ang kanilang masses. One is 4 kilograms, the other is 12 kilograms. So, obviously, guys, mag-move ito, no? So, this two here is mag-move, no? Pababa. So, bakit siya pababa? Kasi, ang maghila sa object A is the object B, not the other way around, because object B is much more heavier compared to the first object. So, therefore, relative to object A, the acceleration is going up, okay? But relative to object B, the acceleration is going down. No? So, we have to take note, no, of that. Kasi kung baliktarin nyo yan siya, wrong din ang answer. Your answer will not make sense if ever. Okay? So, so yan, after okay na yan siya. Next is, ang gagawin natin is, after the drawing, we have to create an equation. So, dalawa lang yung pagpipilian natin. Summation of forces along X or along Y equals to 0, or summation of forces along Y. So, as you can see here, ang gagamitin natin is yung F equals to MA kasi merong acceleration. So, that's F equals to MA, no? But ang tanong is, anong axis? So, as you can see here, it's along Y, so therefore, summation of forces along Y is equal to MA. Now, after that, we have to list all the forces na nasa Y-axis. So, we have tension plus negative weight sub A is equal to mass sub A, and then the acceleration. So, yun siya. And then, as you can see here, we have unknown, and we have also unknown. So, we have two unknowns in one equation. And according sa math, two unknowns must have two equations. So, we have to use two equations to solve two unknowns. So, ang tanong, saan kukunin yung another equation? So, of course, kukunin natin from B. So, bakit si B? Kasi isang system ito. Connected yan sila. So, since the first equation came from the object A, now we have to create or make an equation from object B. Why? Again, because they are connected. No? So, hindi pwedeng makafocus ka lang sa isang object. So this is also forces along y, mass times acceleration, because again, the motion is along y. So what are the forces along y from object B? We have tension plus negative weight sub B is equal to mass sub B times acceleration. As you can see here, the acceleration is downward, so we have to put negative, no? Because acceleration is a vector. Okay, so we have to put negative. Again, take note, the negative here is not due to the mass, but due to the acceleration because the motion is downward. Okay. Now we have two equations for two unknowns. So, if you can recall your math, in order for us to solve unknowns using the equations or systems of equations, marami tayong option. One is yung by substitution or by elimination, no? Tinuro ko sa klase is by substitution, yung i-equate natin. But actually, we can also use the system of equation by elimination. So, paano yung elimination? This is equation 1, this is equation 2. I-write lang natin. So, this will tension plus negative weight sub A is equal to mass sub A acceleration. So, that's your first equation. And then, we rewrite tension plus negative weight sub B is equal to negative M sub BA. Ayan. Second equation. So, again, yung tinuro ko sa class, yung equate natin yung tension, substitute natin yung value ng tension. Yun yung solving equation by substitution. Now, yung pakita ko dito is by elimination. So that meron kayong option, no? Depende na lang kung anong gagamitin ninyo. As long as you're comfortable with that process. Now, so i-decide natin ngayon, ano yung eliminate natin? So, of course, ang eliminate natin easily is yung tension, no? Kasi as you can see here, wala tayong other variables na kasama si tension. Unlike dito, with sub A, with sub B, we cannot eliminate it agad-agad, no? Kasi different man ang value nila. 4 isa, isa 12. So, dito meron different value lang din. So, of course, ang mas madaling i-eliminate natin, if you can recall doon sa math, is yung same na ang value. Okay? So, same naman ito lang ng value, T, T. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, para ma-eliminate ito, one should be positive, the other one should be negative. So, if this is positive, we will take it as negative, this one. So, how to make it negative? All we have to do is to multiply both sides by negative. Okay? So, this one, so T times negative, this will become negative. And then negative weight B times negative, this will be positive. And then negative times negative, this will be positive. So, therefore, now, ayan. Okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin here, T plus negative T. So, mag-cancel yan. Wala na yan siya. So, ang may iwan na lang is this one. Negative weight sub A plus weight sub B is equal to mass sub A acceleration plus mass sub B acceleration. Now, so we have now a new equation, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, substitute lang natin yung value. So, remember, weight is mass times gravity, tama? So, this will become M sub A times gravity plus M sub B times gravity, and this M sub A acceleration. Sorry guys. Since, ano na tayo dito, both sila acceleration, factor out ko na lang ha, diretso. So, i-factor out ko si acceleration. Now, we can also factor out this one, yung gravity natin. So, this will be gravity, negative M sub A plus M sub B is equal to A, M sub A plus M sub B. So, makalculate na natin to. This is 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, times negative M sub A. Negative M sub A is 4 kilograms. So, 4 kilograms plus M sub B is 12 kilograms is equal to A. This is M sub A is 4 kilograms plus 12 kilograms. Yeah. So, therefore, solve natin to. ito muna. So, 12 plus 4 times 9.8. The answer is 78.4. 78.4. So, SF, we have 78 Newton divided by this one, 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12, we have 16. Okay, 16 kilograms. So, 78 divided by 16, the answer is 4.9 meters per second squared acceleration. Yan. So, that is the answer. 4.9 meters per second squared. Okay. Yan yung acceleration natin. Okay. Anong meaning nito? Ano lang meaning? This B here, nag-accelerate siya ng negative 4.9 meters per second. And then, ito naman, it's going up. This one is going up. So, nag-accelerate siya ng positive 4.9 meters per second squared. Okay? So, therefore, 4.9 meters per second squared. The other one is positive. The other one is negative. So, yan po yung ating A. Okay? Now, for tension, okay, so we can solve the tension na. So, this is now for target B. So, how to solve the tension? Yung gagawin lang natin is pili lang tayo dito, no, sa dalawa. Kasi parehas man sila may tension. So, ang gagamitin ko na lang is itong equation 1. So, rewrite ko lang yung equation 1 here. T plus negative weight sub A is equal to mass acceleration. Okay? So, tension is equal to mass sub A plus weight sub A. Tension, ang mass sub A natin, take note, is 4 kilograms. So, this is 4 kilograms times, the A is 4.9. So, 4.9 meters per second squared. Plus, mass times gravity yung ating weight. So, this is 4 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay. Tingnan natin. So, we have 4 times, diretso ko na yan guys, 9.8 plus 4.9 is equal to 58.8. So, this is, the tension is 59 Newton. So, the answer is 59 Newton. So, that's the answer for number 3.